Oui.
Yes.
On a fait l'intention de passer 3 semaines en France. J'ai en effet, I do indeed intend to pass 3 weeks in France. Due from 4 ou 25 août. C'est clair. Répétez après moi. J'ai en effet l'intention. This is a règle, mademoiselle. I do indeed intend. J'ai en effet l'intention de passer 3 semaines en France. From this and this date. C'est clair. Oui, mademoiselle.
Oui, sir.
Oui.
C'est clair. OK? Now, repeat it please. J'ai en effet l'intention de passer 3 semaines en France.
En France.
OK? Je vous adresse, I'm addressing to you. Je vous adresse un tel visa au motif. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît.
Je vous adresse.
Je vous adresse un tel visa au motif.
Tel is such. Un tel visa au motif. So I'm saying, I'm sending you such a visa on the ground that I'm sending you, je vous adresse, I'm addressing to you. I'm addressing to you for such a visa on the ground that que je souhaiterais assister, that I would wish, I would assist, au mariage, I would attend, assister. Je souhaiterais assister is I would attend au mariage de couple, the marriage of a couple d'amis français. They are my French friends. C'est clair. Donc, répétez après moi, you need some visa, right? You say, je vous adresse un tel visa au motif que je souhaiterais assister au mariage de couple d'amis français. I'm addressing to you that such a visa on the ground that it's my what is the visa motive that I would attend. Je souhaiterais assister au mariage, the marriage, the couple d'amis, the couple of my French friends, Français. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Listen.
C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Oui.
Oui. Et ensuite, and then, et ensuite, participer au colloque. Répétez après moi. Colloque.
Colloque.
Yes. C'est clair? So, colloque. Colloque is something, you know, like you have in the conference, cyberlangue. Colloque, cyberlangue. There is a cyber language conference. A REN. A REN in a REN. C'est clair. Now, répétez après moi, he's saying, and then I have to participate in the conference, cyber language conference, because he's a language trainer basically. Therefore, he's saying that I would attend the marriage of my friend, and then I would participate in the conference, colloque. Colloque is the conference of the cyber language RN. REN is the name of the place. RN. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. So now he's looking forward for a visa. You say, je vous adresse. I'm addressing to you. A tel visa or motive for such a visa, which is a motive that what? That why? What the motive of to get a visa? Pour obtenir, to get. Why? Que je souhaiterais assister, that I have to attend au mariage de couple d'amis français, et ensuite, and after that, participer au colloque cyberlangue REN, and then participate in the cyber language at Rent. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Why? Mademoiselle. Madame.
Oui, sir.
C'est clair. Now over here we have est-on donné que. Est-on donné que. Very beautiful phrase. Very beautiful connection. I would say given that. Est-on donné que. Either given that. Est-on donné que. Je suis enseignant de français. Say since. In a given that sense. You know since. You know in est-on donné que. Est-on donné que. Very beautiful connection, mademoiselle. Est-on donné que. That if we have a EQ. That first if we have a EQ. Est-on donné que. Since. Je suis enseignant. I am the teacher. De français. Je dois être de retour chez moi. I have to come back to my house. Chez moi. Because the moment you're going to France, you have to show. Like I have a lot of obligation in my hometown when I will go back to my hometown. Je dois être. If we have a circumflex, de retour. I have to come back. I have to return at my house. À la fin du mois. At the end of the month. C'est clair. À la fin du mois. At the end of the month. Do. It means we have at the end of the August month. Do. C'est clair. Afin d'assurer, in order to assure la rentrée des classes, because I have to assure that I have to come back to my classes. C'est clair.
Oui.
He's saying, je dois être de retour chez moi. I have to come back to my house. À la fin du mois, at the end of the month, afin d'assurer, in order to assure, afin d'assurer, in order to assure that I have to return in my classes, la rentrée des classes, comme je rends visite à des amis. Je rends, répétez après moi, quand je rends, répétez après moi. Quand je rends, I give back. Je rends visite. Je rends visite. It's like I give return visit à des amis. So it means quand je rends visite à des amis, that like I visit my friends, c'est clair, je pourrais de faire peut-être héberge chez eux. Héberge. If we have, you know, accommodation, héberge. He's saying, like I'm visit my friend house, comme je rends visite à des amis, that I visit one of my friends, je pourrais, I could de faire être héberge, I could make my accommodation chez eux, at their house. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. A badge is your accommodation. A badge. If we have a crowd, a badge. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no, mademoiselle et madame.
Oui, sir.
Oui.
Je pourrais de faire être a badge chez eux. I could able to make the accommodation at their house. Chez eux. C'est clair. C'est clair, mademoiselle. Now,
Oui.
mademoiselle, you have to read on since beginning. Now,
Sir, could you send this on
I
WhatsApp
will.
in group?
Okay, I will send it to you
Okay,
right now.
okay.
I will send it to you 1 second because this is very
Okay.
important. Very, very important. So we have
Yeah.
1 second. I'm sending you that comprehension accrete we have done. Check your WhatsApp, please. I'm sending you. This is a letter format which you have to practice. Sekla, Ruchika, Jashan, and Chitra, Kamal.
Oui, sir.
Why?
Oui.
Oui.
Yes.
One second, huh? Check your WhatsApp, please.
Yeah, received, sir.
You received 2 documents. Why?
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 Why? One document we have, a full document you have. Now, what's your task? Because you know, mademoiselle, this is your écriture. C'est votre écriture. Si vous voulez gagner de la bonne note dans votre écriture, vous devez pratiquer ce type de lettres. C'est votre section B. C'est clair. Et évidemment, je vous donne beaucoup de techniques et je vous ai donné aussi les techniques. Dis-moi, oui ou non?
Oui, monsieur.
Why? So now, what is it? Now, what you have to do is, obviously, now, till chaser, you have to practice this letter. And vous devez pratiquer les règles précédentes, which we have done earlier. Précédent. C'est clair? Why? So I'm going to share this recording also. Why? Okay. Why?
Okay.
So what you have to do is, if you can read on a whole lecture, it would be good for you. Like you are attaching your salary certificates, you know, bulletin de salaire, that your salary slips. It's very simple going forward. So what your task would be? Okay, now, okay, your task. You have to submit. You have to, vous devez écrire the letter, same letter you have to write. Yes, you have to write and you have to send it back to me in the WhatsApp group. Same letter, because the moment you will not write, it will be hard to understand the regular. C'est clair. Tell me, Ruchika, in a company, and the mademoiselle Miza, keep my team. Is it clear to you?
Oui.
Why? So my team, you have to write exactly, yes, the same letter you have to write. Because writing is must. And you need to submit your task in the WhatsApp group. And because of shortage of time, because I am already running with my 5:30 batch now, you did not submit your question answer with the last comprehension. Only I got one with Sukman.
Sir, I'll submit both the tasks.
Yes, please submit both the tasks. I would request you, Javud Damon.
Yes, sir. Actually, on Monday and Tuesday night, I am at work, so I didn't get time.
Yeah, I can understand. The life is very tough.
Yeah.
I know this thing. That's not a problem.
Yeah, so I'll do it tomorrow.
That's not a problem.
I already say Chetan sir that I'll do all the 5 days with my task and I have 2 days for work.
Problem, mademoiselle. Javud Damon, I request you, que vous devez soumettre votre projet, that you have to submit your project. That's it. Why? C'est clair? Now, maintenant, vous avez le projet comme vous devez écrire la lettre et vous devez soumettre and you submit on the WhatsApp group. Vous devez répondre la question que je vous ai envoyée hier. Oui?
Oui.
Oui? Et
Oui.
vous devez apprendre les réglementations que je vous ai données précédentes, les règles, les techniques. C'est clair?
Oui.
Oui.
Oui? C'est clair?
Oui, c'est clair.
Why? Okay, paragraph. And tomorrow we'll complete section B again of letter writing format in a different way. C'est clair. Because your section B est très, très, très important, mademoiselle. C'est clair. I will try. Je vais essayer quand je vous donnera les sections A techniques aussi. C'est clair? Et on dimanche, on consacrerait beaucoup de temps. Parce que nous aurons beaucoup de temps en dimanche seulement. C'est clair? Ouais?
Oui.
Ouais, Komal? Ouais?
Oui, monsieur.
Chalo, pas de grave. Pratiquez beaucoup et envoyez votre projet, votre devoir. Ouais?
Oui.
Wait, excuse me, sir. Sorry to interrupt you, sir. I have a doubt. Like the task which I have submitted today, in that I haven't done two parts. Like one was of rephrasing the sentences. I didn't understand that.
Padagram, what we can do is, okay, what we can do is, we will discuss whatever your doubts would be in reading comprehension on Sunday. Gather your doubts.
Okay, sir.
Because Monday to Saturday, I will try to give you technique for, because we have a syllabus a pattern for this.
Yeah.
Sunday, we can discuss entire things. Why?
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Why?
Wait.
All right. Au revoir, à bientôt. On va se rencontrer demain à même heure. Ouais?
Merci. Merci. Bonne journée.